I think it's going to be. This game is like it's going to be like a smash and grab in it sort of thing.
Oh,
Like
you're joking.
Yeah, what? Arsenal score.
Oh, you're
Everton score.
fucking joking.
Let's have a look. Don't spoil it. Let me watch. Let me watch. Let me watch. Big long ball forward. Richarlison.
I don't know why you're dancing, you little prick.
Oh,
You didn't score it.
yeah, no. Oh, Leno, fuck me.
Oh my days. You having a laugh? You gotta be kidding me. They've done that
It's
for
on
all
side
that
as
time.
well.
Oh no, that is just ridiculous.
No. No.
And he wonders why he can't get in the fucking
Oh, for
German.
fucking hell!
This is where now then. This is where now those changes that he's just made. You see what I mean? I was saying earlier, Stephen, about making the changes at the wrong time.
What the how's he letting that happen?
So now
Oh,
this is where those two changes. Hold on. Those changes that he's just made now I've got to now pay off, and you've got to get those 2 goals to make this 2-1. So let's see what happens now. There's still like 15 minutes to play, so maybe 18 with added time. If my stream didn't keep restarting, that would be like really good.
Oh, fuck me. What? Oh.
It's terrible, isn't it, being a football fan, man? It's fucking hard work.
No, it's terrible being a fucking Arsenal fan.
Being hard work, mate.
It's just a key word as well as respect. But yes, definitely. You ain't caught me at the right time. Oh, no, piss off. Get out of here. Get out of here. Get out of here.
No, he's there for the banter.
Don't start on me. Go away.
He's there for the banter. He's there for the banter.
No.
Go on, Norris, son. Give it him. Give it him.